Why does your scanner show the P2211 engine code? What does it mean? P2211 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater sense circuit, high bank 1. The P2211 engine code for indicate the engine's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected the voltage reading from the NOx, nitrogen oxide, sensor heater monitor circuit is higher than the specified maximum limit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor, damaged wiring, harness, loose or corroded connections, blown fuses or relay failures, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Acura, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.